Explore HUBER+SUHNER's extensive range of compression mount PCB connectors. Designed to meet the high precision demand in test and measurement applications. These solderless connectors boast minimal reflection and exceptional return loss, ensuring optimal performance covering frequencies from DC up to 110 GHz. Engineered with a compression mount design, these connectors guarantee unmatched repeatability throughout their entire lifespan, making them an ideal choice for test and measurement applications such as chip characterization boards, high-speed digital evaluation, and internal systems connectivity. Installation is a breeze with just 2 screws, eliminating the need for soldering onto the PCB. They are built for durability and can be easily removed to be reused as needed across multiple platforms, enhancing the overall user experience. Richardson RFPD collaborates with HUBER+SUHNER to offer global support with cutting-edge interconnect solutions, helping optimize your connector footprints with unparalleled electrical performance. To get started or learn more, visit richardsonrfpd.com/HUBER+SUHNER PCB connectors.